Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making a Rolex today, Rolex sauce. So this is the things I will be using. We'll be using eggs, pepper, black pepper, salt. We have tomatoes here and the onion, avocado and cilantro. Those are the ingredients we'll be using. I just start by cutting my onions. I've already cut the avocado and the tomatoes. Just dice them as much as you can. So that's what I'm just doing, just to dice the onions. So this half onions will be enough to use. My eyes. So to make all this, you will need a chapati. If you want to learn how to make chapati, please check our new video. We will have it there by this time you're seeing this video. So I will be using 2 eggs on this for each one. 2 eggs on each one. I will be taking from the onions. My hand is clean. I wash my hand. I'll be taking from the tomato. Now I will be taking from this and then also add some of this. I will add a little one, black pepper, salt, and actual pepper. Okay, so mix them together. I don't know if you can see inside. Just add that much. If it happen you are in a country where even if you use 3 eggs, you feel that it's still not enough egg. In that case, you can use more than two eggs. Yeah, this do not look like 2 eggs to me. It look like as if I'm using 1 or even half. Anyway, yeah, I'll just stay close to it and wait for some minutes. And I'm putting the bread. That's the chapati. I'll just wait for like two minutes. You can see this part is already like pulling out. I want it to be dry so I can turn it just once. Try. I will just use the plate to turn it. Okay. Wait for it a little bit dried. Clean it. Then add a little bit oil again. While waiting for that one, so just add well, this is the Rolex. Oh, the knife. I should think of that. See, this is perfect for lunch. Maybe kids school, you're taking to school, or you're working, you're taking food to school. This is really perfect for it. I was wondering why they call it Rolex. Anyway, but it's food. You want it. Look at it. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and help us to share. If you are just a first time, please just help us to share, like and comment, and let us know about it, how we do. And yeah, thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye.